Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So people who are watching me for the first time, I'm Veda. I make videos on random topics on which I'm capable of presenting well in front of you all. So today's video is a really special video for me because this is my first ever sponsorship video. I know there is no need of any kind of disclosure of this, but I'm just so overwhelmed that I can't just hide my feelings or emotions within myself. So yeah, I'm just sharing it with you all. And yeah, so this video is all about ASMRtistry one lipstick. And thank you ASMRtistry for sponsoring this video. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So this is the cute little black box that the company sent me a week ago, and here it is now in my hands. And yeah, this packaging, I just love the packaging. Honestly speaking, I did peep into it, I did open the box, but you know, over excitement. But yeah, so there is this cute little necklace over here. When you detach it, the box falls flat. I think the brain over here signifies the ASMR tingling sensation in human body. I hope it's right. So yeah, and there is some description below the box that says it's cruelty free, it's vegan, and yeah. Let's detach this now. Open the box, detaching the necklace. So when you detach the necklace, the box falls flat like this. I hope you can see that. Look at the necklace. It's so minimalistic and so delicate. I love this kind of stuff. I'm going to wear it now. I don't know why I'm not able to wear it. It's slipping. Come on. Wait a second. Finally. Here we go. Can you see it? It's nice, isn't it? It's pretty cool. It's cute. So yeah, that was the first one. And then we have a thank you card. There is this cute little thank you card that says, "You are now a part of ASMRtistry family and contributing to the exposure of ASMR. We really are lucky to have you," and etc. There's a scanned one on the left side. Yeah. And then there is this cute little butterfly. I guess it should pop up and fly, but it didn't. But it's okay. But why a butterfly? Butterflies are deep and powerful representations of life, and we truly respect life and nature in every form, regardless. Yeah. And then we have these cute little popping candy packets. I think they both are of different flavors. Which one should I try? Blue or pink? Which one? I'll go with the blue one because I'm wearing pink. I'm opposite, yeah. Okay, let's try this now. It's really good. It's sizzling, popping in my mouth. finally comes the lipstick. Look at this. The packaging is it's magnetic actually. See that? This shade is Rouge Vanilla. Does it smell? It's really smells. Can you see this? It's actually shimmer. It's sparkling. Let's apply. It's pretty, isn't it? It looks good actually. Should I swatch it on my hand? Just look at the color. I don't think camera can actually catch the exact color, but it's really such a pretty color. The pros are the smell is really good. It really smells yummy. And the color, the shade Rouge is really pretty. The packaging is lit, it's magnetic. The only con in this product is that it's not smudge proof. I mean, it isn't kiss proof. It's transferable. Apart from that, it's really a very good product. I would love to, have one more shade also, nude one. So yeah, you can purchase this product from the link that is given in the description box, and also you can avail 15% discount by using the code Vedapriya15. It sounds weird, but I mean in a good way. It sounds weirdly good. I mean, I'm just overwhelmed. Thank you ASMRtistry once again for sending this product, and thank you for watching everyone. So yeah, that's all for the video. See you in the next video. Bye.